What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Tech and Time Labs. Well, it's your boy, Sejoni, and today we'll be talking about not really talking. So today we'll be fixing the iPhone 7 Plus. Now, this phone, as you guys can see, is thoroughly smashed. Like it's been massively smashed up, and so I'll pretty much be changing the display panel. So I'll walk you through step by step on how to fix and change the display panel. With that being said, let's get down into the business of today. And the first thing you want to do is power off your device. You never want to work on a device without powering it off. So you would usually want to take the screen of your phone, especially when you're dealing with phones that are broken like this, okay? You'll always want to take that. So that being said, I won't take it right away because we need to first take out the screw, which you have two screws right on the bottom of this. I'm just going to get rid of that. I'll get those out of there. And now almost every replacement part of merchants or company actually sends the phones today with the repair or with the kits you need to repair, so you don't need to go out of your way to go buy extra set of tools in order to fix it. Most devices will come with their repair kits, and this is why I like white tables. Pretty much you get to start your script. So that being done, we need to heat up the sides of this in order to remove the adhesive. You could use an hot water bottle, you could use a heat gun like this one that I have on me right now. You could use whatever, pretty much anything that gives you heat. You could use an air dryer. So for those of you who don't have a heat gun or a hot water bottle, you could actually use your air dryer, or you could heat up a hot water bottle, as I said, and use that for this. If you don't have an iFixit like eye opener or a heat gun, but I have an heat gun, so this will be my device for today. That being said, let's get into the business. Now I don't want to use too much heat, just soft enough to just let the adhesives you can actually see the glass cracking more. I think I'm gonna use slow mo so you guys can actually see how the glass cracks the more. And that is because when you add heat into glass, literally all the false points, and spaces where you have cracks initially, they start to progress excessively and they grow. So there will be a little bit of mess here today. Which is why it's usually recommended that you tape your screen before you get working. But I'm gonna take mine after because I'm not using actually just let's use this. And this is to reduce the sharpening effects, because there's going to be a little bit of sharpening effect out there when I pull it through. And sometimes you're going to make multiple layers of tape. I would only be making 2 layers. That would help to keep my glass panel in place so I don't get too much shattering. And let's go for the lifting tool. So I'm not getting suction with this device right now. So I think I'm gonna have to lift this guy up and replace the tape when I'm about to pull it off officially. Also remember, taking off the screen automatically means you can't use the screen anymore. So only do this when you have your confirmed replacement part. Let's add a little bit more heat. Since that's not working for some awkward reasons, so I'm just gonna brute force my way through this boy. Once I get a little opening, which I do have one already, I'm just gonna send my pine tool right now. Now you want to be careful, you don't want to add too much pressure. You just want to walk around it very carefully and replace my tape. That's reduce the fallout. Just gonna walk around those edges easy, and you want to be very careful of this right edge because that's where all the panels are, all the cable connections. So I'm just gonna pry it very gently. I'm not trying to go deep, and make sure you use a plastic prying tool and not a metallic one because it's easier to get cuts with metals than plastic. So please be careful and use only plastic prying tools for devices like this. Okay, now that I've successfully been able to do that, I'm just gonna open that and boom, there we go. So this is the flex for the, that's the flex for the camera module display, and this is the flex for the screen display. So I'm just gonna pry that up now. And these are regular Phillips. I don't think I have any of those on the table right now, so I'm just gonna go back into the stash. There we go. Yeah, that is the right one. I actually just screw it out with my arms. So it's that easy to actually pry off. And you have 4 screws. with that being done, we can employ gently but carefully tie that up. Tie that up too. And write that display module out. The next one is the camera module, which you also need to be very careful with. So I'm gonna pick up my tiny screw again. And separate the screws always. Just gonna tie that up too. Okay. And now I can get rid of the Now before we continue, the first thing we actually meant to do was remove the battery panel. I didn't do that, so next time please remove your battery panel. And now our display module is out. We have our chassis here. So the next thing to do will be to migrate everything we have here to the new display module. So pretty much on this display module, I want everything I have here. So that will be the camera module and your touch display, or else you wouldn't have touch ID on this one. So just want to make sure. And connected to this is the digitizer, so you want to make sure you make that connection correctly. Let's transfer. Like, you want to be very careful with. I've made a mistake and broken it before. It's very, very easy for you to break. You like to be extremely careful. So a little bit of the in there. See how soft and the adhesive. So you can't take it off here actually. So I'm gonna leave it for now and let's transfer the guys on top. So I didn't connect them correctly, and that's why it didn't power on initially. But now that the connection is accurate, we have some power. So our touch assembly is working, but it looks like the LED is bad. And this is terrible. So let me try and complete the assembly. If we still get the same issue, then automatically I have a bad LED. This is why we need to test like this, and we have to send that back, which is sad, but we have a choice. give it a try. Okay, so it's a case of pressure and it's not that there is anything wrong with the screen. As a result, our job here today is done. So what I'm gonna do now is just to put it off and open it back once more and add a little bit of adhesive across the edge in order to return a little bit of that water protection which we lost, of course, by removing the original one. Fortunately, it feels like my glue is all clogged up too. Okay, I think I'm just gonna cannibalize this and hopefully I have enough time to use it for all my other glue and jobs today. So I'm just gonna apply some pressure right across the edges so you can get a little good firm seal. And that's done. Next thing to do would be to put this baby's back in. I'm just gonna clean up all the excess glue. So thank you guys for watching the repair. If you did like this, please put on the like button, share, subscribe, and stay tuned to this channel for more videos like this. We'll see your boy Johnny and see you guys on the next one. Ciao.